What is DGFT NOC for restricted items? It's important to comprehend the DGFT NOC before delving into its validity. A document known as the DGFT NOC is issued by the DGFT and permits enterprises to import or export certain restricted goods. Restrictions on certain things may be the result of safety issues, environmental effects, or strategic considerations. The NOC makes sure that these goods are traded in accordance with national laws. Why is DGFT NOC important? In order to preserve regulatory control over restricted commodities, the DGFT NOC is essential. Businesses are not allowed to import or export these goods without this certificate. Additionally, it guarantees that these goods are traded within legal bounds, lowering the possibility of illicit or unapproved trading. Validity of DGFT NOC for restricted items. General validity period. For prohibited items, the duration of a DGFT NOC usually varies based on the particular item and the conditions established by the DGFT. Generally speaking, though, the NOC is generally valid for a year after it is issued. This indicates that the transaction for which the NOC was obtained must be completed by the importer or exporter within a year. Factors affecting validity. Nature of the restricted item. Because they are sensitive, some items might only be valid for a shorter time. Changes in regulations. The validity duration of the NOC may be impacted by modifications to laws or policies. Compliance with conditions. The NOC may be subject to particular requirements. The NOC may be cancelled or have its validity period reduced if these requirements are not met. Monitor expiration dates. Monitoring the DGFT NOC's expiration date is one of the most important parts of compliance. To make sure that the import or export procedure is finished within the validity time, businesses should set reminders well in advance. Regularly review DGFT notifications. Regular notifications from the DGFT could affect the NOC's validity. Companies should keep a close eye on these notifications to stay updated on any modifications to laws or guidelines that may have an impact on their NOC. Maintain proper documentation. Complete documentation is necessary for compliant and efficient processing. Make sure that all required DGFT NOC documentation is kept up to date and easily available. This covers the actual NOC, any communications with the DGFT, and documentation related to the import or export procedure. Consult with DGFT experts. It can be helpful to speak with specialists in DGFT rules if there is any uncertainty about the applicability or validity of the DGFT NOC. They can offer direction on navigating the procedure and guarantee that the NOC is still in effect.
Contact Metacorp today for all your queries. The Metacorp service delivery process involves the following steps. A customer makes an inquiry through WhatsApp, email, IVR, or social media. A dedicated manager is allotted to every customer who is responsible for document collection from the applicant. Once the required documents are provided to us, we complete the application filing process. We keep in contact with the applicant and provide regular updates regarding the certification process. After the document deficiency, if any, raised by the authority and duly submission of the same, the certificate is issued. Call us at 807-627-2381 or mail us at info@metacorp.in. Metacorp, your compliance our priority.